Sewing Kit, 183 premium sewing supplies, 38XL thread spools, suitable for traveler, adults, kids, beginner, emergency, DE and home by Inscraft. The most XL spools have thread in Sewing Kit. This sewing kit contains 38 high-quality XL thread spools. The beautiful vibrant colors are ideal for your daily needs. 43 inches excellent assorted threads have more longer threads, thick threads, not easy to break, reliable for it. 143 pack accessories in Sewing Kit. This sewing kit contains near all the accessories you could ever need. Except for the regular accessories, it includes 9 colorful locking stitch markers, 4 plastic bobbins, 1 gold thimble ring, 1 pin cushion, and the scissors is so strong and sharp, absolutely satisfied all your sewing purpose. All of these accessories add lots of fun to your sewing, and crafts works as well. Easy to carry, all sewing accessories in a compact CASE, 10.27.61.5 inches, which is bigger than any other sewing kit on Amazon. Well, compact makes it more easier to get and store up all the sewing requires. This ideal size can slip into suitcase, briefcase, office desk drawer, or car. You will always be prepared for any hand sewing emergencies. Great gift. This sewing kit makes an amazing gift for Mother's Day and is convenient for frequent travelers, mothers, grandmothers, backpackers and young girls. The sewing kit is good for women and is definitely something that people love to use regardless of the season. Money back guarantee. Confidence comes from high quality and our continuous pursuit for perfectness. If you feel dissatisfied, we promise you a replacement or an immediate refund. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.